Hi my friends, how are you? Having a nice day. Today we are going to start and explain a new lesson, which is phrasal verbs. Okay, so let's start by giving a definition of phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are made of a verb and adverbial particle. Some phrasal verbs keep exactly the same meaning of verb and adverb particle. For example, get up, sit down, hands up. Just follow this example and you will understand more. The first example says, I get up early because I have to go to school. I get up early because I have to go to school. Example number two, please can I sit down? Please can I sit down? Okay. The third one is, hands up if you have an answer. Hands up if you have an answer. Okay, other phrasal verbs have a meaning very different from the verb and adverb particle. They are composed of, for example, give up, look after, or look for. Okay? I give you some examples to understand. Don't give up, everything is going to be right. Don't give up because everything is going to be right. Okay? The second example, when my mother go out, I look after my brother. When my mother go out, I look after my brother. Okay? So in this phrasal verb, in this sentence, it means you are caring about someone or something. Okay? The third example, I look for new words to learn. I look for new words to learn. Look for, it means to search about new words to learn, okay? As you see in this example, we use the phrasal verb look for. It's referred to search, as I said before, to search for some words or some new words. This is my video. Thank you so much. I see you in next time. Thank you.